Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on your YouTube. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly and open apps or applications. Here as you see you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will go and search only for YouTube. When you found YouTube, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is to go to Play Store and update your YouTube. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and watch, and I'll see you in another video.